Hey guys, today I was trying to see if in NHL 19 if I could fix the Flyers goal horn, and I practically did. Alright guys, so if you guys haven't noticed, EA has been, fucking up. Yeah, EA has been fucking up the Flyers goal horn. So I made the Flyers, and if you could see it recording, let it focus. See, I've been making them. So if you guys will listen. Yep, that is the Flyers goal horn. And now here's the fucked up version. But if you search on YouTube, it doesn't sound like a million horns at once. It only sounds like one horn all together like this. Anyway, thank you for watching the video. I hope you would like to subscribe. I have not uploaded a video in years. So if you would like to subscribe, that'd be great.